Greetings, future scholars of America. It's Mr. Barfield with a new grammar unit. This unit is all about phrases. We're going to focus on three different types of phrases: prepositional, appositives, and verbals. But today we're just going to focus on prepositional phrases. Now, you should already be familiar with these because we went in some detail about them in the prepositions video back during parts of speech. But today we're going to do a deeper dive into what a prepositional phrase actually is. So you should know a prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition, ends with an object of a preposition. Okay. For example, the stairs lead to the attic. To, preposition, attic, object of the preposition. And you should also know that adjectives and modifiers may be placed between the preposition and the object, and there may be multiple objects. Like, for example, we can add a modifier to the OP here, or we can have multiple OPs in this sentence. Now, a prepositional phrase acts in the same way an adjective or an adverb does, meaning they can modify nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. Also, adjectives and adverbs are not necessary for a complete sentence. They do help the meaning, but they can be taken out. So, prepositional phrases are chunks that theoretically could be taken out and the sentence still makes grammatical sense. Let's look at some examples. They use the staircase on the left. This is an adjective phrase that modifies the noun staircase, but it would still make sense if you took it out. They use the staircase. You just don't know which one. Which of the staircases leads downstairs? This is an adjective phrase that modifies the pronoun which. Which leads downstairs? Which of the staircases leads downstairs? At midnight, you can come downstairs to the kitchen. At midnight is an adverb phrase that modifies the verb phrase can come. There's also another prepositional phrase right here. My grandfather explained that a daily walk is healthy. For him is an adverb phrase modifying the adjective healthy. And lastly, she walks very quickly for a young baby. For a young baby is an adverb phrase because it modifies the adverb quickly. See all the different ways that prepositions work. It's a whole new world. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.